Hashtag lack of social and affordable housing. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe this hashtag represents in one of the most crucial issues in our society. I believe it tackles or it should focus on our government. I read something in a book that says the more that the country is poor, the more greedy the people in the government. That's why poor gets poorer and the rich gets richer. So I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that we can actually resolve this kind of issue if there is someone that will express and would like to give measurement on this kind of issue that will raise to the higher government. With this way, they can implement something. Implement something, especially to those people who are in the shanty houses. They are one of the reasons that's why we are facing different kinds of calamities, because they shared something. They shared environmental footprints that causes the climate change. But for our ladies and gentlemen, as the election is coming, I believe we should practice our right to suffrage, to elect someone who has the right, who has the knowledge, who has gratitude for the people, someone who is better to do something for the whole community, someone who completely understands the people or the problem of the poor people. Because ladies and gentlemen, I consider myself as a minority, and I experienced this kind of issue because way back 2008, I was living in Baguio City, the mountain of Baguio, and we got demolished. And time goes by, the government in Baguio City, which I am very thankful, thank you so much, I would like to address them for giving us a house in Cavite, in Silang, Cavite. They actually provide us a housing, which I know that it's not given to everybody, that we are just lucky. But then again, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that the government itself should do something about this, because this will cause following or additional social issues such as overpopulation or educational issues, and also other issues that caused by the poor. Because ladies and gentlemen, I believe that the government itself, if you can't care about something, or if you can't provide something to the community or to your constituents, then definitely you should not be in the position. Good evening.